This illustration deals with sizing the overcurrent protection device when you round up. Now this is figure 18-14 and it deals with the application of the exception 1 to 430.52C1. Now the loop is the same, but NEC loop that you see in the illustration, but 430.6A1 will again refer you to get the full load current of the motor from table 430.250. Also, we would be referred to table 430.52 to size the overcurrent protection device, selecting a percentage there based upon non-time delay fuses, time delay fuses, instantaneous trip settings of a circuit breaker, or inverse time circuit breakers. Now, in the illustration, notice in the application of the exception 1 to 430.52C1 is a call out, and it basically says if the 250% does not correspond to a standard overcurrent device, we can select the next size in accordance with table 240.6A and round up above the 250% if the 250% does not fall upon exactly a standard size protected device in accordance with table 240.6A. And then again, remember that when we want to know if we can size the overcurrent device greater than 125% of the conductor's ampacity or the full load current of the motor, table 240.4G is in great, would list those particular loads that we use every day in the installation and use of equipment where we would need to size the overcurrent device greater than 125%. So this is applying the exception 1 now to 430.52C1, rounding up instead of rounding down below the 250% in accordance with section 430.52C1. And that's what this illustration 18-14 is illustrating.